So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This will show us all the applications that start automatically once your computer turns on. In my case, Microsoft OneDrive automatically starts when my computer turns on. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically once your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to uninstall all the applications that you don't need. For example, I don't use the calculator, so I'm going to click on the three dots, uninstall, and I'm going to uninstall it. You want to uninstall all the programs that you don't use. However, if there's any Microsoft programs that you see here, I would recommend keeping it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in animation effects. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to turn off animation effects. You can also turn off transparency effects. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will then untick everything. Now you want to select custom. After you select custom, you want to tick show thumbnails instead of icons, and you want to tick smooth edges or screen fonts. Then you want to click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to find a service called sysmain. We're going to scroll down till we find sysmain. Here it is. You want to double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will then stop the service. Then you want to click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it. You're going to get lower processes and your computer is going to be faster.